Here it is, guys, my mid-afternoon snack. I got my vegetable crudité. I have my sliced cauliflower, baby carrots, mushroom, and cucumber. And of course, my creamy ranch dressing. So I hope you do the same, guys. Eat healthy and nutritious veggies. My mid-afternoon snack. There you have it. You've been wondering how I get my longevity? That's how I got my longevity. I eat healthy foods. I love veggies, fruits. Nuts. There you have it. Thanks for watching.